has got a nice town hall. It has got 4 churches. It has got a big sports center. And a small hospital. In Hernani there is a beautiful museum, Filidalecu. There is a small music school. There is a big covered parking at Chegindegi parking. There is an old library with cinema. There is a post office near the Cinconia Square. There is a big police station in front of Ataradillo Park. And there is only a football stadium. There is a new university, Mondragon Universitate de Oro. There are 5 pilot churches. One is for Ereñotu, one is for Hilos, and more. There are 2 train stations. There are 3 gas stations. There are 2 gas in Landare. There are many side houses like Olaizola, Alberro, Rufino, and more. There are a lot of shops and 4 supermarkets like Via, Eroski, and more. There are many restaurants like Santa Barbara, Irumide, Sumita, and more. There are a lot of bakeries and some famous cake shops like Ararraga, Snal, and more. There are 2 swimming pools. There are many parks like Meave, Atarabillo, Ave Maria, and more.